Today we'll discuss the flow chart or introduction of chapter 7 from geography, that is lifelines for India or Indian economy. So lifelines you know very well, lifelines which provide the support or life. जैसे during the COVID-19, what is the lifelines for us? Like a oxygen cylinder are lifelines during COVID, or mask is lifeline for us. And for a patient, oxygen or maybe doctor are lifelines. So aged for a country, economical, for a economical growth, what are the lifelines for a country? So there are many factors, but road and transport is play the important role because they consume the time, low maintenance are required, we pay the cheap cost for a transport. So in this chapter we will discuss the means of transport. So there are three or four means of transport we will discuss in this chapter. We will discuss in detail merit and demerit of transport, means particular transport. So first transport is road transport we will discuss, land transport means road, pipeline also. In this chapter we will discuss about the sea waves, inland sea waves or another one outer side. We'll discuss in this chapter about ports, means the western coastal area पे located port and eastern coastal area port. We'll discuss in this chapter. We'll discuss about airways, domestic or international airways. So now first we are going to discuss introduction of this chapter through a flow chart. So road, road is the cheapest transport for us. Why? Because it provides a door-to-door facility. It everyone person we can access to each or every place that is possible only through the road. It provides a door-to-door facility. Your door or maybe your areas are connected with the road transport only. That is only road. For example, airway transporting, it is not available in our Chittor. It is maybe domestic airlines are available in Dabo. Airways, no such airway transport in Chittor. So road is the only such transport which are available everywhere. It is cheapest, sasta hai. It is door-to-door facilities. So there are six category of roads we'll discuss in this chapter. One is the express highways. These express highways may be constructed inside the nation, or sometimes they may be connected with two nations like a USA, Canada, such express highways which are connected the two nations. So express highways may be inside nation and two countries. These are the 4 and 6 lane, 8 lane में भी 8 lanes भी होते हैं, 6 and 8 lane. जैसे आगरा यमुना एक्सप्रेस हाईवे are example of that. Your 6 lane highway, another one highway जो national express highway are constructing is work is going on. That is from Delhi to Mumbai. New express highway construct हो रहा है. It will be passes from the near Kota and Soimatpur. So these are known as the expressways. We'll discuss in this chapter. These are 6 to 8 lane, and another one is known as the national highway, which are 4 or 6 lanes. This is for example in our Chittor there are two national highway located. One from Bhilwara to Chittor. Another one is the from Kota or Udaipur to Chittorgarh. So these are 4 and 6 lanes. These are known as the national highway. National highway maintenance or construct by the CPWD. PWD एक वर्ड होता है PWD, इसके आगे सेंटर लगाना है बिकॉज नेशनल हाईवे आर पार्ट ऑफ सेंटर सी और स्टेट हाईवे पार्ट ऑफ द स्टेट PWD। सिंपल सी फुल फॉर्म है। नेशनल हाईवे तो इन फ्रंट ऑफ सी मतलब सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट, C means center, P means public, W means work, D means department. Center Public Work Department. So who construct the national highways? Central Public Work Department. Or who maintenance, who construct state highway? That is PWD, Public Work Department. So you know taxes, toll tax collected by the central government from national highways constructed by them, and state highway like your from Kapasan to Mauli Udaipur, that is national highway constructed by the state government and PWD department, public work department. Next one is the district road which connected each district or inside the district, and who construct the district road, who maintain the who maintenance of the district road, that is Jilla Parishad. Jilla Parishad are responsible for to construct to build a district road. Next one is the village road. So village road may be constructed by the Panchayat and Pradhan Mantri scheme like a Pradhan Mantri Sadak Yojana, sometimes also constructed by the Pradhan Mantri or Prime Minister scheme. Village road which connected each villages. Last one is the border road. Border road is like a construct on the borders or maybe by the central authority, border roads. So these are the different category or classification of road we'll discuss in this chapter through the paragraph and in flow chart. Another one, lifelines for that are the waterways. So waterways in our country, inland waterways we'll discuss. Inland means the inside nation. Like, so which are the source of inland waterways are only rivers. So these are classified into three categories. National waterways number one, national waterways number two, national waterways number three. So national waterways number one is 1620 kilometer from Allahabad to till Haldia port, from UP Allahabad to till Haldia in near Kolkata till Haldia port, or length of this that is 1620 kilometer. Second national waterways 891 kilometer, Sadia to Dumuk area in Brahmaputra. Or national waterways will discuss three: Kollam, Udyog Mandal. It is in different part like a 22 kilometer, 10 kilometer, 15 kilometer. So in this chapter we will discuss about the waterways. Third one we will discuss about types of airways. So there are two categories of airways: international airports, international airways, and domestic airways. Domestic airways means the inside country only, which are connected inside nation. Or international, you are, I know very well, you are in class 10 or you may be feel boring or like this. Through the words, we know what you want to say. International, you know, and domestic violence means, sorry, not a violence there, airways. Domestic airways means that there are 63 domestic airways and international airport we will discuss in this chapter. Or last one is the seaport. So which port are located at the western coastal area or eastern coastal area we will discuss in this chapter. So at the western coastal area, just on the port from the Gujarat, Kandla port, you know, Mumbai, Leton, Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram or such port. Later on, Panji, Goa, Marmgoa port also famous for the iron export. Okay. Later on, eastern side, Visakhapatnam, Chennai, or from Odisha, you know, Paradip, and from the eastern side, Kolkata. These are the important ports where we export and import the goods. So in this chapter we will discuss about all the given point. Or last and important topic in this chapter we will discuss, that is the communication. So today mass communication, all the things how we are getting, this is possible through the communication. What is going on in our surrounding, how do we know about it? That is possible through the communication. And communication is updated every year due to help of technology. Early time we were using the different source for communication. When I was in class 9, there was the one chapter in my NCRT book, or that was considered how the a famous news reporter company, that was the writer, and how the writer they were convey the message during the First World War when they cover up the First World War news. So how do they convey the message? They were used the different way to spread their message like a smoke. Sometimes they use the bird. Later technology has changed communication part. Now our communication has started through the new letter, means like our postcard and our different category of card like Antardeshiya card or maybe. So we have started writing part, message part through the communication. Now technology has changed. Our communication has started through the mobile, polyphonic or polyphonic ringtone, simple mobile. We started black and white like this. Later on, our communication part has changed. Later on, due to the innovation of Android mobiles, our communication is updated. Live communication means the live means the chat. We can start live calling. We can say in other words, what would we use for the video call like this? So video call is possible through the technology. So communication totally depend on the technology. Technology updated, communication become faster and faster. So last topic we will discuss in this chapter, that is the communication by help of television, newspaper, radio. Today communication is spread in mass population in global world. That's why this is known as the mass communication. So these are the main point, dear student. We'll discuss. So this chapter will be completed within 1 or 2 days because it's simple and syllabus are limited. Or so tomorrow onwards we'll continue this chapter. Okay, dear. So
Thank you